In my class in world history, the students are challenged to think critically about the history that they're learning and try to apply it in various ways in the attempt to try to move beyond arts and crafts, but to still involve visual learning as a strategy. We do X-ray poster profiles. And this process involves lots of steps, but the first step is to recognize, first of all, what each leader in history has done to advance their cause. And in this case, these are communist leaders of the 20th century. So the idea here is around the visual representation of the character that needs to be very accurate for time and place. The students are listing the 7 most important communist achievements that that leader did in their lives. The second thing they would do then is to create a list of body parts that exemplify the character's strengths. And in this case, this group chose heart to exemplify Rosa Luxemburg's contributions to communism, brain, spirit and soul, and hands. And they would use analogous explanations to try to connect their achievements to their own personality through the body part that they used. So it's a multi-level thing, and it forces students to kind of interact with material that is complex in a lot of ways. We also use this in class as a centerpiece of a simulation and a Socratic seminar around what true Marxism is, what true communism is, and if it's possible on planet Earth in the 20th century. So Mao Zedong, Lenin, Tito were also other leaders that were profiled, and each one shows different both communist achievements and body parts that exemplify their greatest strengths. These aren't perfect, obviously, so in the future I want to make sure that students are led through this process more carefully so that their body part descriptions are a little bit more complete and a little bit more well thought out. I would love to be able to work with them on analogy and the skill of creating analogies to describe leaders and character strengths. I think that's an important skill, so we need to continue to work on that next year. But this is the X-ray poster profiles, and that's it.